Welcome to another episode of Microsoft Office 2019 tutorial. Here we are going to see how to bypass the startup page of Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Whenever you launch the Word application or Excel or the PowerPoint, you would notice this particular startup screen for these applications. If you don't want this and go straight to the blank document or a blank workbook or a blank presentation, you can do so. Open a blank document, go to File menu, click on Options, under General tab, go all the way down, uncheck Show the Start Screen when this application starts. Click on OK. The same for Excel. Open a blank workbook, click on File menu, click on Options, under General tab, unselect Show the Start Screen, click on OK. For PowerPoint, you do the same. Open a blank presentation, click on File menu, go to Options, under General tab, uncheck Show the Start Screen, click on OK. Now you close all these applications, and next time when you launch Word, Excel or the PowerPoint, it goes straight to the blank document, workbook or a blank presentation. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day.